Check it out, man. I just got a box in from Misaki Shears. A lot of y'all been asking me like, Tank, what shears do you use? What are the best shears out in the game? Me personally, man, I've been using Misaki Shears for a good minute now. I got some at a Barber Expo last year, and I've been using them ever since. So a lot of the videos that y'all see me doing my shear work with is the Misaki Shears. But nonetheless, man, like I said, I got a care package from Masaki, so we're gonna open this up, even though the top is already open. But we're gonna dive into this package, and we're gonna see what they got, and we're gonna talk about that here in this video. But before we get into this video, if you're new to the channel, please make sure to like this video, subscribe, comment down below, share with one of your friends, all that good stuff, you know what I'm saying? But with that being said, man, let's jump into this video. All right, guys, check it out. Once again, as y'all can see, I got this nice little care package from Misaki Shears. So we're gonna open this thing up and really dive into it. All I did was tear the tape off and open it up. I didn't want to do that on camera. And I'm gonna be honest, the reason why I didn't do it, because I didn't have a blade or shears with me or scissors. I used a screwdriver. So I was like, but nonetheless, man, let's go ahead and look at what we got in this box. And y'all know I got me some shears, right? But before we look at the shears, let's look at some of the other stuff that we got in this box. So we do got an absolute cutting cake from Misaki Shears. Check that out. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up real quick. See how this cake looks. It's nice quality, nice material. Shout out to Masaki one time for the one time, man. Oh, this is actually a nice cape. Check that out. I don't know if y'all can see it on camera. Let me scoot back a little bit. But check this cape out. Don't drop everything, Tank. But check this cape out, man. If y'all can't see it, I apologize. But check that out right there. I hope y'all can see that. As you can see, we have the Masaki branding on top. Check that out, man. Nice looking cape, but let's go ahead and move that to the side and see what else we got in this box. All right, so we got the cape, as y'all seen there. We got some blade holders. Check it out. We got this blade holder right here. And it actually comes with like instructions on how to put the blades into the blade holder, you know what I'm saying? But let's go ahead and take out this blade holder. Check it out. So this is the blade holder. I don't know if y'all can see, but hopefully y'all can. We have the Masaki branding right there. And then it says Katana on this side. Nice blade holder, man. I ain't gonna lie, that's a nice blade holder. And I like that you can actually just squeeze this part. I don't know if y'all can see it, but when I squeeze it, that's how you put the blade in there. So you're gonna squeeze this and slide the blade in there. That's dope. I have another blade like that I really enjoy using. And I haven't used it in a while because I lost it. But I'm glad I got a blade holder like that, man. So we got that one. And then we also got this other Katana blade holder, as y'all can see. And this was the style of blade holder that I had. It didn't have a tang on it. It was only, one thing like this. And this personally, I liked a lot. For me, it's just a little more comfortable in the hand. But same thing here, all you do is squeeze the back to open it and put a blade in. As you can see, we got Masaki branding on this side, and then we got Katana on the other. But shout out to Misaki Shears, man. They done hooked your boy up. We still got some more stuff in this care package, so let's continue to see what else we got in here. And I'm saving the shears for last, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna save the shears for last, so if you wanna fast forward, you can. We also got a nice Masaki pin on there. Check that out. I don't know if y'all can see it due to the glare, but it's just a Masaki. It's their logo. It's a pin for hats. I'm always rocking hats, so that's pretty dope. And then I also got a pack of razor blades. Well, I say a pack, but it's literally like a pack of packs. Masaki Professional Razor Blades, Platinum Edition. And I've actually used the razor blades before when I picked up my shears from the Barber Expo. They actually gave me some pack of free razor blades, and I used them, and they're really good, man. Really good razor blades. Once again, shout out to Masaki for that. And then we got some shears right here. But before we open that, we do got a sticker as well. All right, so let's take these out of the box. Move this to the side. Let's open up this pack right here. Check it out. This is the box it came in. I'm gonna read the back, some of the back for you. You know, it's got some stuff on the back. It says, Masaki handcrafts its shears from premium Japanese stainless steel for an exquisitely sharp, did I say that right? Exquisitely sharp, long-lasting edge. Masaki's blades offer an edge that is incredibly sharp while still providing durability. Masaki's screw tensioning system lets you fine-tune the tension of your exact preference. A beautiful polished finish complete the look of these stylish shears. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. So, you know, we got a nice little case. You know, you got to have a case for your shears, especially if you're a traveling barber, man. You got to have a case for them. Sheesh. Check it out, man. Oh, man. Hey, shout out. I'm going to show y'all this right now. This is a 6 1/4 inch shear, as y'all can see. Check that out. And I like the groove on it. I don't know if y'all can see due to the camera, but we have a little groove on the thumb holder, and that's typically how I like my shears. It just fits a little more comfortably in hand. You know, when I'm cutting, I just gotta, you know, I don't know if y'all can see because it's like the opposite side, but you know, it just fits really comfortably. Let me make sure y'all can see that. But if y'all can't, my bad. But as you can see, it just fits comfortably. Like, you're not supposed to put your thumb in the hole. some people put the thumb in the hole, but you're just supposed to let your thumb sit on top and just, you know, do like that. I don't know if y'all can see that, but you're just supposed to let your thumb sit on top while you cut. So check that out. But the one thing that I did want to show y'all is, man, camera, you better make sure you can see this. I don't know if y'all can see it. It says, man, I don't know if y'all can see it because of the glare. But right here on the blade, it says Tank be chopping. I don't know if y'all can see it, but it does say Tank be chopping right there. If you can't see it, it's because of the camera and the lights and stuff. But we got Tank be chopping on one side, and then on the opposite side, it says Masaki. So that's the shear, right? We got that shear. Let's put this one back in the holder, and then I'm gonna show you the other thing I got. So I actually got the same shear in a 5 1/2. So this is more for like precision style cutting or like kids, you know what I'm saying? Just so you won't go too far back when you're cutting. I like to use my smaller shears on kids. Once again, man, shout out to Masaki. As y'all can see, it's a nice looking shear. We got the stopper right here. I think that's what it's called, the stopper for the shear. You know, we got a little curve on the thumb entrance. That way, you know, it fits nicely. Nice looking shears, nice put together shears. They got the tension screw right here so you can tighten it or loosen it depending on how you like. So that is the 5 1/2. And let me get y'all the name of these actual shears, like which one it is, because they have different ones on their website. In case y'all like these and y'all want to purchase them, let me get the invoice real quick. All right, so these are the Yoshihiro, I hope I'm saying it right, the Yoshihiro hair cutting shears, the 5 1/4 inch and the 6 1/4 inch. So yeah, so these were 5 1/4, I think I said 5 1/2. But they're 5 1/4 and 6 1/4. And once again, if you are interested, these are the Yoshihiro hair cutting shears. So check those out, man. Check them out if you like those. And then I also got some thinning shears that I'm gonna show y'all as well. But real quick, before we continue on this video, man, I do got a discount code with Masaki. So if you are interested, you can go to the website. I think the website is Misaki Shears. If it's not, I'll put the actual website on the screen for y'all. And I think my discount code is Tank10. I gotta look, man. I gotta look, because I'll be getting, y'all know sometimes I'll be getting a lot of discount codes, so I'll be forgetting. But I'll make sure to put the actual website and the discount code, not just on the screen, but down in the description. So if you want to purchase yourself some shears or anything from their website, once again, they got shears, thinning shears, blades, they got capes, they have razor blade holders. They got a lot of stuff on their website, so if you want to check them out, once again, you can go to their website and use my discount code, and I will have their discount code and website on the screen for y'all, as long as down in the description. But with that being said, I showed y'all the shears that I got. I got the 5 1/4 inch and the 6 1/4 inch, and I also got something else. So we're gonna show you what we got here. And I believe this says the same thing in the back. Yeah, Masaki handcrafts his shears from premium Japanese stainless steel for an exquisitely sharp, long-lasting edge. Says the same thing on back, but check it out in case y'all wanted to see it. But hey, Masaki's shears branding is on point, man. It's really on point. Really enjoying the way, you know, they package everything and sent your boy. But let's go ahead and open up this one so we can see exactly how these thinning shears look. So check it out, man. These are the thinning shears that I got. These are the Masaki thinning shears. Let me see what these are called. I don't want to be lying to y'all. I think they're the same thinning shears as the regular ones, just the a thinning one, right? So yeah, these are the Yoshihiro 30 teeth hair thinning shear, the 6-inch one. So just FYI if you are interested. Or I think on their website it may say the Misaki M304. So that is for the shears and the thinning shears, both the 5 1/4 inch and the 6 1/4 inch is the Masaki M304. So if you go to the website, you can check that out. But once again, man, shout out to Masaki. This is my thinning shear, and it doesn't say nothing on this side. But if we turn it on this side, it says I don't know if y'all can see it, but it says Masaki on the bottom blade, and then it says Tang Be Choppin on the top one. Shout out to Masaki, man. They done hooked your boy up. Y'all know what it is, man. You can go to their website, MasakiShears.com. Use my discount code. Once again, I'll make sure to place that on the screen for y'all. That way y'all can get yourself a discount if y'all want to use these or if y'all want to purchase these. But y'all let me know, man. Do y'all need me to do a review on these shears? I've honestly never done a review on shears before. I've just, showed y'all me cutting them and showed y'all maybe some unboxings of them, but I've never actually showed y'all or have done a review on them. So if y'all want a review, y'all let me know down in the comments. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. Once again, thank you so much, Masaki. Y'all make sure to follow them on Instagram. I'll make sure to put that on the screen and in the description as well. Give them a follow, buy some stuff, man. They really got some high quality shears. But with that being said, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go.